Hi guys, welcome to Chatty Portal. So for today, we are going to graft a moon cactus into a dragonfruit rootstock. So as you can see here, we have the mother moon cactus with its pups. Now this one is perfect for grafting. And these two that you can see at the back are actually pups from this mother moon cactus before. And now, look at how big they are. We were actually able to successfully graft 3 pups from this moon cactus. The other one we gave to a friend. Hopefully, they will become mother moonies soon and will give us more pups for harvest. Before we go into the actual grafting session, let's talk about the rootstock first. So here I have a dragon fruit to be used as a rootstock for this pup here. Now I already had this planted for more than 5 months, and this is already a mature and healthy rootstock. What you need to do is you have to try to pull it out. And for this one, I can feel that there are already roots. Next is we have to consider the tool that we're going to use. We're going to sanitize this using the hydrogen peroxide, because we need to make sure that we're going to use a clean tool for grafting. So we just have to wipe it with. So this is our target pop. To hold it like this, be gentle, and then twist it. And there you go. We were able to successfully harvest the pop from this moon cactus. So this is the pop that we harvested. We just have to set it aside first. Set it aside here. And now let's get our rootstock. And we're going to get the tool, our cutter, which we already sanitized. And we're going to cut this into our desired height. I want to cut it here. So there you go. So there, we already have our rootstock. And you don't need to throw this one, because it can still grow pups like this. So I also had this rootstock planted and it grew some pups. I'm going to transfer this into a natural soil so that it will become healthier, and we can use this in the future if we would still be able to harvest more pups from the moon cactus that we have here. The next thing to do, as you can see, there is that middle part circle in this rootstock, and if we cut this moon cactus or pop here, you just have to slide. You just have to cut a slight portion. And our rootstock, it has that middle part circle here. Make sure that circle, you need to slice a little bit so that it will really attach. And we also have to cut the sides. So we're going to use a scotch tape to hold the pop and the rootstock together. So this is the Scotch tape. You also have to put a tape at the middle, and then cut it. Just to make sure that it's held tightly, we're going to apply another layer of Scotch tape. So there you go, we now have our grafted pop into a dragonfruit rootstock. So we're going to wait for at least a week for it to successfully attach to its rootstock. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you want me to make more videos about planting, even if I'm not so good at it, please do comment down below, and see you on our next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Chatty Portal. Thank you, bye!